Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how we can customize our thank you page or success.phtml in Magento to checkout page. After placing the order, we have a page where we can check that there is order ID and continue shopping. We are going to customize it. Okay, so let's start with it. So now there is a issue that is running, that is invalid block. So let me check where I have written this one, success.html. No, success. And what's a block? It's success and success. So here I think it should come one each slash success. Because in success page it is block one page in success. Okay, let me flash the cache. This is flashed. Check. Mm. Let me going to add the shopping cart. Place order. Invalid template file. WhatsApp order success.html. Blocks name order.success. Order.success. Okay, let's check success.html. There is success.html in XML. It's order success.html. But that's why I have made the so it is just caps. See, we have email. This comes a order number, your order confirmation or tracking info is there and continuation info. Let's check what we have written in that success page. Success.html, your order number, increment ID, your order number again, and also you can just if I going to print this order, and let's see data it's going to return it. Okay, so always redirecting to the that page. Let me add one more item in the cart. So it's added. For Bing now, let's add one simple text. I'm adding this block. I'm adding this block. Because We need to go to the success.phtml for that. This is PHTML. Mm, it's deploy runs time. I'm just adding this one. I'm not placing the order. So I think this is before it is, and after that we are adding this part. Your order number, we will email an order confirmation with details, tracking info, then continue shopping. So this is how we have override this success.html file, and we can add the order information over here, or we can add like order details full. We can customize with like any HTML over here, rendering, billing address, shipping address, everything we can just add it over here and just need to just format it. Okay, so this is how we can customize the checkout one page. So I will explain how I have done this. Okay, so go to my folder. First of all, you need to create checkout one page success.html in layout. Any app code, app code vendor, what we have, you just need to create checkout one page and just name the template name which you needs to override and where you need to override. Here I have written order success in additional info that I need this block to be added just below the additional info. So I have just added this one just below the additional. Or if you want to override, then you need to override it. Okay, that is another thing. For now, I have just added the additional block in success.phtml file. Okay, so it's added. After that, you need to create a block in one page. You need to create success.php. In success.php, you need to get the order, customer ID, or customer success, or whatever you want to return the HTML and whatever. Just write it and just get it in the success.html. That's simple. Just dollar block and get the data from it. Okay. And for success.html, we need to create. You need to create in templates order success.html and write what the HTML you want to write, and just make the success page much more interesting and look and fresh. Okay. So this is how we can add additional block in the one page of the success in Magento 2. So hope you will understand what exactly it is. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.